this work, we present a fully autonomous humanoid opening a door using a whole-body local manipulation policy. This is a challenging problem because key information, such as whether this door is latched, is not directly observable. For example, given these two images, can you identify which door is unlatched and therefore should be pushed open? Although visually identical, similar actions can lead to drastically different outcomes. Furthermore, when looking at the time lapse of the robot's camera, there are similar observations that correspond to different actions. This ambiguity can be problematic. Here are a few failure modes where the naive imitation learning fails. One is blending trajectories where left and right arms are both triggered. This one jumps out of sequence to just push with the right arm, completely ignoring the door handle. The third example didn't follow the demonstration precisely enough and collides with the handle. To overcome this failure, given the action transformer architecture, we condition the policy on state selection, which helps disambiguate substages in the door opening task. This results in higher performance of the door opening task. Please refer to our paper for more details.